Living in a tiny apartment doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or convenience. These clever Temu gadgets are designed to save space, reduce clutter, and make everyday living feel surprisingly effortless. From smart storage to multi-use essentials, they help you do more with every inch of your home. All products are linked in the description below. Light up your space and charge your devices at the same time. These tall farmhouse lamps feature both USB-A and USB-C ports right on the base, working even when the lamp is off. With separate top and night lights, you can choose soft ambient glow or full brightness for reading or relaxing. The warm fabric shades protect your eyes while adding rustic charm to any room. Sturdy metal construction and industrial design make them stylish, practical, and built to last. Show off your art like a pro. These magnetic picture lights clip onto frames and shine with 3 color temperatures, 12 RGB colors, and smooth dynamic modes. Brightness is fully adjustable, and a timer lets you set them to turn off automatically. Rechargeable with a long-lasting battery, they're cordless and easy to move anywhere. Perfect for paintings, posters, or photos, they turn any wall into a gallery instantly. Bring the magic of the northern lights into your home. This 3-piece framed canvas set captures starry skies, pine forests, and serene lakes in vibrant, fade-resistant colors. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, it instantly adds a dreamy, nature-inspired vibe. Each piece comes ready to hang, so you can display your mini wilderness effortlessly. High-quality prints and sturdy frames make it beautiful and long-lasting, turning any wall into a statement. Bring rustic charm and warm light to any wall. These mason jar sconces glow with LED fairy lights, creating a cozy, magical atmosphere for bedrooms, hallways, or living rooms. Each jar is decorated with white peonies and eucalyptus leaves, adding a delicate, stylish touch. With a remote and timer, you can set them to light up automatically or choose from 8 modes to match your mood. Perfect for everyday decor or as a thoughtful gift that instantly brightens any space. Add a touch of modern art to any table or shelf. This ceramic abstract statue features 2 entwined shapes in bold colors, catching the light and drawing attention instantly. Perfect as a centerpiece for dining rooms, living rooms, or offices, it adds style without clutter. The smooth ceramic finish protects surfaces while reflecting vibrant hues beautifully. Unique and eye-catching, it also makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or any special occasion. Add a touch of green without the fuss. These 3 fake succulents come in black, human-shaped pots, looking surprisingly real with a soft flocked finish. They're small enough for desks, shelves, or bathrooms, and need 0 care. No watering, no wilting. Perfect for brightening up a bedroom, office, or living room while keeping things low maintenance. Cute, stylish, and stress-free, they make a fun little gift too. Step onto pure softness every day. This plush area rug has a high-density pile that feels cozy under your feet. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or nurseries. Machine washable and easy to clean, it stays fresh without any hassle. The non-slip backing keeps it safe on hardwood, tile, or vinyl floors. Soft, stylish, and family-friendly, it's a simple way to add warmth and comfort to any space. Turn any room into a dreamy garden. These cherry blossom vine lights have bendable branches so you can create your own look on walls, shelves, mirrors, or even outdoor spaces. With 8 lighting modes and a warm yellow glow, you can set the perfect mood for romance, parties, or cozy nights in. The remote and built-in timer make adjusting the lights effortless. USB or battery-powered, they're easy to place anywhere and bring instant charm to your space. Tame the toy chaos in style. This stuffed animal hammock holds a whole bunch of plushies, freeing up floor space while keeping them visible and organized. Made from soft, durable cotton, it adds a cozy boho touch to any bedroom or nursery. Easy to install with included hooks, it hangs in a corner and turns toy storage into a fun display. Your kids will love seeing their mini zoo up high and ready to play with anytime. Say goodbye to jarring wake-ups. This smart alarm clock starts with a gentle chime and gradually brightens to energize your morning. With 507 soothing sounds, from rain and ocean waves to white, pink, and brown noise, you can drift off, focus, or relax anytime. The built-in nightlight and timers make winding down effortless, all controlled with a simple tap. Perfect for your bedroom, office, or nursery. It helps you, and even your pets, sleep and wake refreshed. Bring the magic of a sunset right into your room. This projector casts warm, colorful light across walls and ceilings, instantly creating a cozy, romantic vibe. You can rotate it 180 degrees to change the angle and size of the glow, making every corner feel special. Perfect for photos, parties, or just relaxing after a long day. USB powered and easy to use, it turns any space into a dreamy sunset scene. Light up your room exactly how you like it. This modern LED ceiling fixture lets you adjust brightness and color with a simple remote, warm, natural, or bright white, so every moment feels just right. It remembers your last settings, so you don't have to tweak it every time. The sleek matte black design fits kitchens, bedrooms, studies, or living rooms, adding a touch of elegance anywhere. At 40 watts and 2,600 lumens, it brightens 10 to 18 square meters effortlessly, combining style with practicality. Turn your desk into a light show you control. This smart table lamp has 196 addressable LEDs that create smooth color changes and rainbow effects across your room. You can set each segment to any color or brightness, making endless custom scenes with the app. Snap a photo or play music and watch the lamp match the vibe instantly. Voice control with Alexa or Google Home means you can change the mood without lifting a finger. Who said shelves have to be boring? This 4-tier floating wall shelf adds storage, display space, and mood lighting all at once. Built-in LED strips let you choose colors and brightness to match your vibe. Each tier holds books, decor, or gadgets while saving precious floor space. The sleek black finish blends with any room, from bedroom to living room. Simple to mount, it turns a blank wall into a stylish feature instantly. This TV stand isn't just furniture, it's an all-in-one entertainment hub. 8 fabric drawers and open shelves keep games, remotes, and gadgets neatly tucked away. Built-in LED lights let you set the mood, sync with music, or brighten movie nights with a tap. 2 outlets and USB ports keep devices powered without messy cords. Sturdy construction and a scratch-resistant top make it both stylish and practical for any living space. Small tables, big organization upgrade. This matching nightstand set gives both sides of the bed the storage they've been missing. A smooth drawer hides clutter like chargers, remotes, and late-night essentials. The open shelf keeps books, decor, or baskets within easy reach. Clean lines and a compact size fit comfortably even in tight bedrooms. Turn any wall into a glowing masterpiece. This 3D art sculpture combines layered acrylic and brushed metal for a modern, eye-catching design. Built-in LEDs add a soft, adjustable halo that works as ambient lighting or a nightlight. Plug it in, Grab the remote and control brightness or lighting modes effortlessly. Large yet lightweight, it's easy to hang and instantly transforms living rooms, bedrooms, or hallways. This isn't just a clock, it's wall art that happens to tell time. The oversized metal design with sculpted leaves instantly fills empty space with elegance. A silent movement means no ticking, so you can relax, work, or sleep undisturbed. Despite its large size, it's lightweight and easy to mount in minutes. Perfect when you want one statement piece instead of lots of small decorations. Your plants deserve a home as stylish as they are. This ceramic planter set pairs clean white pots with warm wooden stands for a timeless modern look. 2 sizes let you mix and match big leafy plants or smaller favorites. Built-in drainage keeps roots healthy by preventing soggy soil. It's an easy way to add height, texture, and fresh life to any room. This isn't just a sofa, it's basically a human-sized comfort cloud. The oversized round design lets you stretch out, curl up, or share the space without fighting for room. Soft corduroy fabric feels warm and plush, making it perfect for movie nights or lazy afternoons. Adjustable headrests and piles of pillows support you in any position. No assembly needed, just unpack, fluff it up, and sink in. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This magnetic charging stand powers your phone and earbuds at the same time. No cable juggling required. Snap your phone into place and it locks perfectly for fast wireless charging. The adjustable hinge lets you tilt or rotate the screen for videos, calls, or bedside clock mode. LED indicators quietly show when everything is charging, so you're never guessing. Switch between warm, cool, or soft yellow. Switch between warm, cool, or soft yellow light to match your mood. Perfect for showing off collectibles, photos, or small plants like a mini gallery. The sturdy wooden build keeps everything secure while freeing up valuable floor space. No wiring, no electrician, no problem. This cordless wall light sticks up in minutes and instantly adds a cozy glow anywhere you want. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, so you can place it by your bed, sofa, or reading nook. Touch controls let you dim the brightness from soft night light to full task lighting. It even pops off its magnetic base to use as a portable lamp when needed. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.